I want to start with some demonstrations that deal with a phenomenon called persistence of vision. Without persistence of vision, things such as movies and television we could not have it. Persistence of vision is that quality of the human eye that allows it to retain an image for just a fraction of a second. To show that, I'm going to start with an exhibit that we have at the Science Center called the Spinning Spiral. And what I would like you to do is I would like you to stare right into the center of this spiral for about 15-20 seconds. What we're doing is we're causing a change to take place in your eye. As you stare into the disc, your eye begins to try to stop the disc from spinning. And when I stop the disc, your eye will continue for a few seconds to try to stop that disc from spinning. So at the count of 3, I would like you to look around the classroom or look at somebody here in the studio and watch this kind of unique phenomena. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What you should see, and I'm getting some chuckles from the audience, what you should see is what you're looking at should begin to grow. It should expand. And that's that eye trying to stop the spinning of the disc. And it lasts for a couple of seconds and then it goes away. Well, that's really neat, but can I do it? Yes. And can I do it cheaply? Yes, you can. These are our whole basis is things that even a teacher can afford. For this demonstration, you'll need a piece of cardboard, you'll need a pencil, a nail, a piece of string, a felt tip marker, and a stick. Nothing else. We'll start by drawing the spiral. In order to do that, you're going to need to tie the string to the nail. I also added, and tie it very tightly, I also added a little bit of glue so that I made sure that the string doesn't turn on the nail. And then I tied a loop in the other end and slipped a pencil in it. Now I want the pencil to be able to turn. Start by placing the nail in the very center of the disc and start drawing around. And as you do, the string will begin to wrap around the nail and it'll keep coming down and you'll end up with a spiral. It also might be fun and interesting to challenge your students to see if they can come up with a way to draw a spiral. When you've done that, then you need to take a black marker and start drawing over that spiral. And you continue to draw till you get all the way out to the edge. And when you're to the edge, then you need to come back and start again. Because what you're looking for is the distance between the width of the black line and the width of the white space should be about the same. Should be about 1/4 inch. When it's all done, it'll look something like this. The next step then is to figure out a way to make it spin. Take the nail and push it through the cardboard and take a hammer and nail it, just pound it into the board, into the stick. You now have a device that works very much like the one that I just showed you. You have a spinning spiral, and I think if you try this in the classroom when you start talking about persistence of vision, it'll provide something real different for the students. Now, if this sounds a little complicated, you can send for a copy of our science demonstration handbook, and on the back page we made you a spiral, and all you have to do is cut it out and post it to a piece of cardboard. But I think it might be fun with the students to let them get involved and see if they can do this.